Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to start exercise 5.4 linear equation in two variable by the method of comparison. Yesterday we have completed exercise 5.3. There are some questions I have given yesterday, but no one has submitted the homework to me. So today, please submit all the previous homeworks to me, and today I am going to start exercise 5.4. Okay, so this is exercise 5.4, means equation in two variables by the method of comparison. So the first question of this is, let us express the variable of x of the equation x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 8 in term of variable y. So we have to express the variable of x of equation x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 8 in terms of variable y. So to express the variable of x in variable of y, what we will have to do, the question is x plus 3, so we will write x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 8. So we have to express the variable x in variable of y. So what we will do, x upon 3 will be here, and we will do what, 8 is here, keep y upon 2 in the right hand side, so it will be converted into plus 2, it will be converted into minus, so this will be minus y upon 2. Now this will be x upon 3 is equals to, if you will take the LCM of this, what you will get, 2 is the LCM, so 2 into 8, that is 86, 8 to 16. In table of 2, 2 will comes in one time, so 1 into y, 1y. Okay, now cross multiply with this both, so 2 into x, this will be 2x, and if you will multiply with 3, what you will get, you will get that 3 bracket 16 minus y. So the value of x will be 3 bracket 16 minus y upon this 2 will comes here. So we can see that the variable of x in variable of y will be 3 bracket 16 minus y, or if you want, then you can change it, multiply 3 with 16, 16 3 that, this will be 48, again 3 into y, that will be minus 3y divided by 2. So x is the variable of x in variable of y will be, either you can write this or either this. So this is the answer of express the variable of x. So we have converted, or we have converted or expressed the variable of x in variable of y. So in this way we have to do this. Okay, now in this way you have to solve number 2 also. 2 is also in the same way you have to do. In this question you have to ask that instead of variable x, you have to ask that express the variable of y in variable of x. So in this case what you have to do, you have to keep y here and take x here. So in the same way you have to do the second part also. So if you have to ask that express x in terms of y, then you have to put x here and take y here. And if asked in the question as variable of y in variables of x, then what you have to do, then y, you have to put y here and take x here. Okay, now take the second part, that is question number 3. 3.1. So 3.1 is that solve the following equation by comparison method whether the following equations satisfy the equation. So how we will do this, again we have to use the comparison method. So how you will do the comparison method, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So first we have to solve this equation. If you multiply 2 with x, you will get 2x multiply 2 with y, you will get 2y, and now this will be 3. So this is, you have to take, this is equation number 3. Okay, second is, or either you can put here, you need to solve this first, don't need to write 3, first solve this equation, put here, but because you have to compare it, so take 2x is here and 3 will be here, and keep it 2y in the right hand side, then what will happen, instead of minus it will be plus 2y. Okay, then the value of x will be, that is 3 plus 2y divided by 2. So this will be taken as equation number 3. Okay, in the same way solve equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? 5x plus 8y is equals to 14. So in the same way you have to solve this question also, that is 5x is equals to 14 minus 8y, therefore x is equals to 14 minus 8y divided by 5. Now this is equation number 4. Now we have to write compare, because this is comparison method, so compare equation 3 and 4. Compare equation 3 with 4. So what we will get, so if you will compare 3 with 4, what you will get, equation number 3 is 3 plus 2y, both the, we have got both the value of x, so compare both the value of x with both this. So what you will get, this is 3 plus 2y upon 2 is equals to 14 minus 8y upon 5. Now by comparison, by comparing, what we will get, we have to cross multiply these values. Okay, we have to cross, I am going to cross multiply these values. So cross multiply with this, 5 into 3 means you have to multiply this with this, what you will get, so 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10y. Now multiply this with this 2, 14 2 ja 28, 2 into 8, 8 2 ja 16y. Now both, take both y together, this is 10y. If you will take this y here in the left hand side, it will be plus 16y. Again this is 28, and keep this 15 in the right hand side, then it will be minus 15. So 10 minus 6, 10 plus 6 will be 26y. 28 minus 15, that will be 13. So therefore y is equals to 13 divided by 26. So 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26. The value of y is 1 upon 2. Now putting the value of y in equation number 3. We have got equation number 3 and 4. So put the value of y in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3 is, x is equals to 3 plus 2y divided by 2. So what is the value of y? We have got the value of y is 1 upon 2. So we put, in place of y we will put the value of y, that is 1 upon 2 divided by 2. So 2 cancel. So what we will get here, x is equals to 3 plus, there is nothing, that is 1 is remained, so we will put here 1 divided by 2. So 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So what will the value we get? So therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 upon 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, now we are going to solve next question, question number C. Okay, so this is question number C. So I am going to solve question number C. Question number C is x upon 2 plus y upon 3 is equals to 1, and x plus 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 1. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, so now solve the question with the same process. This is x upon 2 plus y upon 3 equals to 1. So keep here x upon 2 here and take y upon 3 in the right hand side, then it will be plus. Instead of plus it will be converted into minus y upon 3. Now x upon 2, if you will take the LCM of this, you will get 3. 3 1 ja 3 minus y. So multiply this with this, what you will get? Therefore x is equals to 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6 minus 2 into y, 2y upon 3. So this is equation number 3. In the same way you have to solve equation number 2. So this will be x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equals to 1. So if you will solve again it, you will get x upon 3 equals to 1 minus y upon 2. So x upon 3 will be here, take the LCM of this, 2 1 ja 2 minus y, multiply with this, then you will get x is equals to 3 2 ja 6, 3 into y 3y divided by 2. So this is equation number 4. This is equation number. Now compare equation 3 and 4 together. Comparing equation 3 with 4, we get, if we compare 3 with 4, what we will get? We will get the value, what we will get? So we will get the value of this. What value we will get? So we will get that equation, we will get the value of x, that is x minus 2y by 3 equals to 6 minus 3y divided by 2. So what we will get? So by comparing this, we will get, so by comparing this, what we will get, that is multiply both this, that will, what we will get? 3 6 ja 18, multiply this with this and this with this, 3 6 ja 18 minus 3 3 ja 9y, and multiply this with this, you will get 2 6 ja 12 minus 2 2 ja 4y. Now take minus 9y and take here minus, instead of this, if you will take here in the left hand side, this will be plus 4y. Again this is 12, if you will take this here, means in the right hand side, this plus 18 will be converted into minus 18. So if you subtract 9 minus 9 from 4, you will get minus 5y, and this will, if you subtract minus 18 from 12, you will get minus 6. So minus minus cancel, therefore y is equals to 6 upon 5. Now putting the value of y in equation number 3. So if you will put the value of y in equation number 3, what is the value of equation number 3? X is equals to 6 minus 2y by 3. So what is the value of y we have got? We have got the value of y as 6 upon 5 divided by 3. So this will be 6. So what you have to write? 6 minus 2 6 ja 12 upon 5 divided by 3. So if you will take the LCM of this, what you will get? 5 6 5 ja 30 minus 12 divided by 3. Now rest of the part I am solving here. So if you subtract this, what you will get? 13 minus 12 will be, that is 18 upon 5 and whole divided by, that is 3. So So if you will solve this, what you will get? 8 by 5 into 1 upon 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 is 18. So the value of x we have got, that is x is equals to 6 upon 5. So therefore the answer is x is equals to 6 upon 5 and y is equals to what we have got. This is y is equals to also 6 by 5. So this is the answer of this. So in this way you have to solve all the rest of the sums, okay, by yourself. And if any kind of queries you have, please ask with me. And you have to do all the sums of number 1 and 3, okay, number 1 2 and all the parts of sums number 3 means part 3's a b c and d you have to do by yourself. So today's homework will be 1 2 and 3, okay. So do all the problems and send it to me. Thank you.